We are celebrating 50 years of the UAE Federation, and we cannot be in a better place to do it. We are here at the Krishna Temple in Bardubai, and with me is the Chairman of Mercantile Community, Mr. Lalit Kairani, and his team.
The temple was established according to our documentation or whatever paperwork we have was 1935. But according to the government, that this was established in somewhere in 1903. So we are here since then. The temple is in the same place. It was like a small house where the Seva was here. What we call it Seva is the idols of the Lord. Lord Sriraji, which is Krishna. We had cow in the temple. We had well in the temple and everything. All the business people, the name of the community where we say here is the Mercantile Hindu Community of Tata Sindh. We come from a village called Tata, and we merchants were here who were coming to the temple, cooking, doing the bhog, and then distributing that prasad to everybody, and then they would go to the work. They would open their businesses after that. That was the old times when the life was very slow and calm and nice. But now with the growth of the city, we have now staff called priests who do only seva inside. They are not going outside anywhere. There are two priests we have. We have one Kirtaniya, we have the other Pitariya, what we call it, who cooks everything for the Lord. And then the prasad has been distributed to the people. Then we have a lot of sevaks. We do our seva. We are here every day, literally every day. Even though we have business, we take out time and come and make sure that everything is doing well here. Since then, the changes have happened where we have allowed even the foreigners, the tourists, which is a big crowd nowadays. A lot of other religious people come and they do the prayers here. They come and see what's happening. So it's like a semi-museum as well as temple for the prayers. In 365 days, we have got 360 festivals. The festivals go from Holi, which is the festival of colors, our New Year, which is Cheti Chand, what Sindhis also called it. We have the Sawan Ke Jule, which goes for 30 days. Holi goes for 40 days when the colors are being thrown on people and on the god. We take that feeling as the Lord Krishna is playing Holi with us. Now the main important part is that we are basically Yaduvanshis. Yaduvanshis is the community where the Krishna came from. And then with the time, we probably moved to Rajasthan. So we come from Jaisalmer. What we have the history is from Jaisalmer. The tolerance and coexistence has always been the part of our religion and our community. Also, the government, local authorities, the mosque, which is exactly opposite us, just 10 meters away from us, and their main doors and our main doors are same, facing each other.
What an interesting story is that. For more on this story, please log on to www.gulfnews.com. And if you know of other communities that need to be celebrated for the UAE Federation celebrations, do let us know. For now, this is Anjana Kumar for Gulf News. Thank you.